Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kamara Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hey, so we're here to do part 2 to RBD Live in Rio. So I know my first reaction video I cut off when she was last about to perform. So I'm going to start off with that ending in part 1 into part 2. So I'm curious, and I want to say thank you guys so much for the comments, like, and subscription to the new subscribers and to the comments on my first reaction to RBD Live in Rio. I really do appreciate it. Yes, I am back. I did went on a long, nice vacation and I decided not to post any videos. I'm so sorry. I was like, I'm gonna post any videos. I'm just gonna relax, clear my head, and come back and do it all over again. So, yay.
Me levanto y no estás, de mi mente te vas. Confundida yo estoy, sin saber dónde voy. Y soy una chica enamorada de tus caricias. Voy, hago paro y no es un motor, buscando sin saber con quién vas a ceder. Me resigno a pensar que con otro tú estás jugando y voy preparando cicatrices del corazón que hoy se libera de tu control. Y no puedo entender, no quiero comprender la razón de esta situación, más no puedo seguir dependiendo de tu calor. El amor se acabó, la pasión terminó, un recuerdo lo siento bien, pero el día de hoy ya tu voz se desvaneció. Ya no busco tu olor, el detalle murió, y me niego a pensar que a tu lado yo brillaré. Y voy preparando cicatrices del corazón que hoy se libera de tu control.
She's good. I like her solo. I like her solo. Her solo performance of this. She's doing good.
Más no puedo seguir dependiendo de tu calor. El amor se acabó, la pasión terminó.
Oh,
Un recuerdo lo siento bien.
was that Alfonso in the back?
Ya tu voz se desvaneció.
Oh, they're in the back singing. Okay, okay, come on through with the support.
Seguir así.
Oh,
No.
she is. That little girl was feeling it.
Rio, se en algún momento vocês pensaram que o amor acabou, busquem a resposta em seu coração.
Rock on, rock on.
Y no puedo entender, no quiero comprender la razón de esta situación, más no puedo seguir dependiendo de tu calor. El amor se acabó, la pasión terminó, tu recuerdo lo siento bien, pero el día de hoy ya tu voz se desvaneció.
I really do like that guy who's playing the guitar. That was good. That was good. Imagine people going to concert right now doing the coronavirus. Come on, trench coat.
Esas manos arriba, manos arriba, manos arriba y atrás, de un lado para otro, de un lado para otro. Eso es una canción.
is not a slow ballad.
Tenho umas que chegar à alma e fazem bater mais palmas, outras que chegar ao coração.
Okay.
Hay unas que se les
Oh, he's so cute.
otras que nunca se olvidan, que te hacen despertar pasión, oyendo una canción para ti, y que nos llegue al pensamiento para vivir y expresar todo lo que yo siento.
Oh my god, Alphonse looked like a soccer player. What am I thinking of?
Dedico esta canción.
I want that trench coat.
Todo comenzó con un vaso, trago caro y escaso.
Chris.
Me subí a la desolación.
Oh.
Huyendo al grupo del bar, tocar mi favorita. Se me subió la desesperación. Oyendo una canción para ti, y que nos llegue al pensamiento para vivir y expresar todo lo que yo siento.
I can actually hear their voices. I can hear all four of their voices. Wow. Yeah.
Perdiendo el tiempo,
Mhm.
pensando en ti.
Where's Anne?
Como dice el río, una canción para ti, y que nos llegue al pensamiento para vivir y expresar todo lo que yo siento. Quiero tenerte, te dedico esta canción. Todos los brasileños hacia arriba. Les dedico esta canción.
Okay, Christian. Okay. So that's how you finish your performance.
¿Cómo poder recuperar tu amor?
Come on, Chris.
Sacar la tristeza de mi corazón. El mundo solo gira por ti.
These girls are feeling it in this audience.
Sanar este profundo dolor. Siento correr por mis venas
Oh, come on, little girl.
tu respiración.
Okay. Oh, that was a nice run.
Sueños te veo, sin ti yo me muero.
Y ese corazón que te robaste cuando te marchaste con mis besos y mi sueño. Y este corazón está latiendo cada vez más lento. Y estoy sintiendo en mis adentros como el fuego no se apagó.
Ooh, they're sweating a lot. There's no fan or anything on the stage? Oh, I was literally looking for Anne because I was like, her voice, when that chorus came in, her voice was very dominant in the chorus section. I was like, I hear her voice as a dominant voice, the lead voice in the chorus. Was like, I don't see her, but now I see her. No, this time it's the red hair I'm hearing. I want the guitarist. I want him. Yes, this is nice. I like that one. They play no games. They're going back to back. Hey, hey. I really do like her. She have a really good stage presence. Hey. Oh, I love his tattoos.
así completamente.
Cuatro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ey, 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 ey. Chris, I can't. Detallante. Okay, I want to give a congratulations to whoever was the casting coach. The casting director to select these 6 individuals for the show Rebelde. Someone did explain to me a couple weeks ago that the show full episode is on YouTube, and I think I found like a couple episodes, so I might do a reaction to the whole thing. Hopefully they have subtitles. But I want to say, I really do want to give a congratulations to the casting director who casts these people for this. Spot on. So far with part 1 and part 2, I'll give them a 10 out of 10 so far because I really do like it. I love the fact that there's minimum breaks in between each performance. It's like, and they do it for hours straight. They're not dancing too hard, but you can see the professionalism within their performance, which is very good because nowadays is everyone's a singer. No shade, no tea. She's gorgeous. I love her. Black hair.
Muchísimas gracias por estar aquí.
I don't know what she's saying, so hopefully someone will be happy to translate for me.
Todos los sueños se pueden hacer realidad. Y ustedes han hecho que nuestro sueño, sea hoy una verdad. Gracias!
Gracias.
E aí uma coisa importante que lembrar. Não importa
That's a very nice stadium.
língua, religião,
That's a lot of people at the stadium.
todos somos iguais. Você
Since it's Pride Month.
sou sou.
Oh, Chris and his dramatics, I love it.
Te amaba, fingías como un ángel, me tratabas como si fuera yo tu único ser. Te creía tus mentiras y tú reías en mi espalda y robabas lo mejor ladrón.
Okay, that was nice. Hey.
dejaste pisar mi corazón. Si crees que eres tú, te apegas cuando vuelvas aquí. Oh, cena el dolor. Hoy nada que decir, ya no quieres que mentir. Tragaste tu traición, ya me voy. No existe un perdón, existimos tú y yo. No aguanto tu actitud, ya me voy.
Shit, they better know their cues.
Debe ser. Debes ya se acabó.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Perdí toda mi fuerza, mi ilusión. Y en cambio me dejas sola, confusa, llena de desilusión. Pero no, te dejaste pisar mi corazón.
I like this song. I like this song. It's very fun. It's fun. I like that song. That was a nice one. I like that one. Oh, we're going to another slow ballad. Excuse my hair. I really do need to do better. It's a really nice stadium. Excuse me, so sorry.
¡Eso! Chavos, esta noche tengo que decirles muchas cosas muy importantes. Una de ellas es que hoy es un día, una noche tan importante para nosotros y que además esto va a quedar grabado para que todo el mundo lo vea y para que llevemos el nombre de México y de Brasil hasta las nubes. Pero yo sé que estaría mejor si ustedes hacen el esfuerzo y cantan en español.
I know whatever she's saying. I know it's something lovely.
Enseño que hablar portugués. Muy mal, pero lo voy a intentar, ¿ok? A ver si me sale. Esto es algo que escribí para ustedes.
Come on, piano. Is that Chris playing?
¡Esta soy yo!
Is that Chris?
Y dice así, escúchenme.
Oh, it looks like him, but it's not him.
Que todos vocês son meu sonho que virou.
Oh, the stage looks nice.
Eu queria pedir uma coisa muito importante. Que todos acendam uma luz comigo. ¿Sí? Todos vocês. Allá atrás, allá arriba, todos. Porque é uma luz importante. É uma luz por algo que todos queremos. Uma luz pela paz. ¿Sí? Acenda uma luz por la paz. Todos.
Okay, put your lights up.
Uma luz pela unión, pela tolerancia. Y pelo amor, eu te amo muito, Brasil, sábame!
dum,
visto la magia
dum, 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 dum,
y
dum,
per
dum,
todo
dum, 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 dum.
extrañarte es mi necesidad. Vivo en la desesperanza.
Oh, I love this. I love this audience.
Sobrevivo por pura ansiedad, con el nudo en la garganta.
Well, unfortunately, that's the end of part 2. Okay, so far part 1 and part 2, I'll give them a 10. I will give them a 10. I really do like it. I love the fact, the consistency, they're switching between songs. I love it. It shows you the professionalism. And as I can see from this performance, they're good at what they do. So thanks to the one who gave me that recommendation to react to RBD live in Rio. I really do appreciate it. My friend who lives in California, I know she's gagging right now because she really do like this group. She was so surprised when she saw me reacting to RBD. She was like, oh my God, what do you know about? She was like, what do you know about RBD? I said nothing. There was few people on my channel who gave me the recommendation, and I've been reacting to the group ever since. So I want to say thank you guys for that. I really do appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for the love and comments as always. And subscription. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link in the comment section or the video title, whatever you choose, and I will get to it as soon as possible. It's always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.